CNC phasing program is the first one program. First 0 0 0 0 1 is the first program. N1 is the phasing operation. So first N0128 U000 is the comb position of the tool. Okay, is the comb position of the tool. Next line 2, program number N2 M06 T0101 is the tool changing. Okay, suppose is a phasing operations tool. If you are using first tool means first one. Suppose using third tool, so you can want to change the tool numbering also. Okay, so அந்த டைம்ல வந்து பண்ணா there's a 03. Okay, T03 யூஸ் பண்ணும்போது third tool வந்து functioning ஆகும். Okay, so given diagram, so G97 S1000 M03 is the G97. Okay, is the interpolations. Okay, constant. Okay, the spindle is rotating in the constant. Okay, constant speed of 1000. Okay, constant speed of 1000. And M03 is the spindle rotation normal in the clockwise direction. So the rotation is normal with the clockwise direction. M08 program line 9, M08 is the coolant is on. So is the given dimension of the is 20 mm diameter and 40 mm length of the tool. Okay, 40 mm, here is 20 mm diameter. So want to reduce the length of the specimen is 37. Okay, so this is a phasing program. So first initial position. Okay, these are the initial position of the program. Okay, these lines. So next fifth line, see G00 means it is the rapid. Okay, point to point positioning of the tool. This is the rapid movement of the tool from one point to another point. Suppose in case so tool is on point, want to move the another point is suddenly. Okay, is the 00 is rapid positioning of the tooling. So X22 Z2. Okay, this is the axis. Okay, this is the axis. Okay, so the first initially the tool position is X22. Here is X22 Z2. This is that point. Okay, particular point. Okay, so X is 22, Z is 2. So X is this moment. Okay, X moment is the, this is the Z moment. Okay, this is X. Okay, we want to reduce the diameter with X, length is Z. Okay, this is meaning of X. This is the Z. Okay, so X22, here X is 22, Z2. Okay, this at the time this tool is this position. The next operation G002 X22 Z minus 1. So tool is come to this position. Okay, so this is the X22. X22 is this point, Z minus 1. X22 Z minus 1. Here is X Z minus 1. Okay, this is Z minus 1. X is 22. Okay, this is the particularly this position. Okay, tool is this position. X is 22. Okay, Z is minus 1. Okay, X22 Z minus 1 is this position. Okay, tool is next is 0 0 interpolation, linear interpolation. Okay, this is a linear interpolation X0. Okay, X0 Z minus 1. Okay, X0 means this position. Okay, this is this position. X is 0. Here X is 0 comma Z minus 1. Okay, so feed is 0.1. Okay, feed rate. Okay, feed rate. So at the time the tool is moving. Okay, tool என்ன பண்ணும், இங்கிருந்து டாப் வந்து மூவ் ஆகிட்டு வரும். ஸோ 1 mm லென்த் வந்து ரிமூவ் ஆகிடும். ஓகே, இதுலேருந்து 1 mm லென்த் வந்து டூல்லேருந்து ரிமூவ் ஆகிடும். ஒர்க் பீஸ்லேருந்து 1 mm லென்த் வந்து ரிமூவ் ஆகிடும். ஓகே, டூல் ட்ராவல் ஆகிட்டே வரும். ஸோ X0 X0 Z minus 1. Then next move to the original position. Okay, home position. Okay, so X22 Z22. Okay, ஆட்டோமேட்டிக்காக டூல் வந்து இங்கே ட்ராவல் ஆயிரும். டூல் இங்கே ட்ராவல் ஆயிரும். ஓகேவா, இந்த பாயிண்ட். நெக்ஸ்ட் X0022 Z minus 2. ஆல்ரெடி 1 mm ரிமூவ் பண்ணியாச்சு. தென் வந்து 3 mm ரிமூவ் பண்ணணும். ஸோ நெக்ஸ்ட் டூல் வந்து இங்கே பொசிஷன் வந்துடும். ஓகேவா, Z22 Z minus 2 இங்கே பொசிஷன் இருக்கும். Z minus 2 பொசிஷன் இஸ் தட் ஒன். அதாவது G01 X0 Z22. ஓகே, automatically tool is moving to this position. Okay, X0 Z minus 2. Okay, here the next to move to this position, okay, original home position. Then next we want to remove the 3 mm, okay. So again x22 z minus 3, okay, here z minus 3. So the next is x0 z minus 3. So this is the z minus 3, okay. So f feed rate is 0.1. Then move to the home position, okay, this position. So x22 z2. So x22 move to the home position. M09 is the colon is off. M05 is the spindle off, okay. M09 is the colon off, okay. Spin here is spindle, here spindle is off. M0 is the end of the program. M30 is the end of the program, okay. Is the phasing operation of the CNC program, okay. Thank you.